Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Throughout the week, I will be sharing Thanksgiving prayers from a variety of faith traditions. Today's Thanksgiving prayer, entitled Thanks and Gratitude, is from the Islamic tradition. It was written by Tamara Mahmoud, who was a graduate of Xavier University in 2017. I will not even attempt to read the words in Arabic because I don't know Arabic, but I will read the rest of the prayer. In the name of God, the most merciful, the beneficent, O nourisher and provider of all things, we offer our thanks and gratitude for this food and for those who prepared it. In a world where so many are hungry, may we eat this food with humble hearts. We offer our thanks and gratitude for each member of our community and the opportunity that we all have to come together and to do good. Dear God, may you bless our efforts and help us sit present with one another, mindful of our purpose. In the name of God and with the blessings of God, let us begin.